France's Environment Minister, Nicolas Hulot, resigned Tuesday on a radio show. Japan says North Korea continues to be what it calls a serious and imminent threat to its national security. Cambodian officials have released 14 members of the country's opposition party from prison. Bosnian journalists have been protesting in support of a reporter who was severely beaten by unidentified attackers. And the Israeli army destroyed the house of a Palestinian who carried out a deadly knife attack in the occupied West Bank.